Struggling with RSI signals that don't deliver? No worries. Today, we're ranking the top 6 indicators to combine with RSI, from decent to absolutely game-changing. These combos help filter out false signals, fine-tune your entries, and boost your confidence. Combo number 1 is a hidden gem, so stick around till the end. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which indicator matches your trading style, no more RSI guesswork. Let's build your ultimate RSI setup, here we go. Number 6, Stochastic Oscillator. RSI and Stochastic work in perfect harmony, momentum magic. Pros: great timing for entry or exit. Smooths RSI signals in range markets. Cons: choppy and strong trends. Best used in combination. Setup: wait for RSI to rise from below and cross above the 30 level, while the stochastic oscillator also crosses up from the 20 level. This is your sweet spot entry. Example: on the 1-hour chart, RSI drops below 30, entering the oversold zone. Shortly after, RSI curves back up and crosses above 30, signaling a potential momentum shift. At the same time, the stochastic oscillator crosses upward from below 20, confirming the timing. A long position is taken at the close of the next bullish candle. Number 5, OBV, On-Balance Volume. OBV brings volume analysis into play, and it's a powerful filter with RSI. Pros: shows strength behind price moves. Predicts breakouts with volume pressure. Cons: weak in low volume assets. Requires clean volume data. Pro tip: if RSI is flat but OBV is rising, it signals hidden strength. Buyers might be stepping in silently. Example: on a 1-hour chart, price is moving sideways in a small range. RSI stays flat around the 50 level, showing no clear momentum yet. Meanwhile, OBV begins to rise slowly, suggesting that buying pressure is building. When price breaks above the resistance of the range, a long entry is placed. Number 4, CCI, Commodity Channel Index. CCI measures how far the price has moved from its average. It's a momentum tool that pairs well with RSI. Pros: detects momentum shifts early. Helps spot reversals ahead of time. Cons: can be noisy on lower time frames. Needs confirmation. Pro tip: if RSI is near 30 and CCI starts turning upward from -100, that's an early reversal signal. Example: this simple RSI and CCI strategy looks for early signs of a bullish reversal on the 1-hour chart. First, RSI drops below 30, entering the oversold zone. Then, CCI curves upward and crosses above the -100 level from below. This upward crossover signals that bearish momentum is fading and that a potential reversal may be starting. Together, they form a reliable early entry setup. Number 3, Bollinger Bands. Ballinger Bands show volatility and price extremes, and they work great with RSI for reversals. Pros: visual clarity for overbought and oversold zones. Performs well in sideways markets. Cons: early signals in trending markets. Less reliable during sudden volatility. How to use: if RSI is below 30 and price touches the lower Bollinger Band during a squeeze, that's a high probability reversal setup. Example: on this 1-hour chart, price enters a squeeze and touches the lower Bollinger Band. Meanwhile, the RSI drops below 30, indicating an oversold condition. This confluence suggests a high probability reversal zone. A long entry is taken at the close of the next bullish candle, but only if the RSI crosses back above 30, confirming the reversal with stronger momentum. Number 2, MACD. MACD is a powerful momentum indicator that confirms RSI setups. Pros: filters out false RSI entries. Validates trend continuation. Cons: can lag in rapid markets. May give conflicting signals during sideways or low volume periods. Strategy: when RSI crosses 50 upward and MACD line crosses above the signal line, that's a textbook bullish setup. Example: here's what we're looking for. RSI pushes above 50, a clear sign momentum is shifting. Then, boom, MACD crosses above the signal line and green bars start building up. That's your confirmation. We enter long right after the crossover. Number 1, moving averages. And now, it's time for the top-ranked indicator on the list. Moving averages help confirm trend direction and reduce RSI noise. Pros: filters unreliable RSI signals. Confirms broader market bias. Cons: lags in fast markets. Doesn't give entries on its own. Usage tip: use RSI for timing and the 200 MA for trend alignment. If RSI is oversold and price is holding above the 200 MA, that's a strong bullish signal. The trend supports the buy. Example: on this chart, RSI dips below 30, a classic oversold signal. But don't rush in just yet. Price is still below the 200 moving average, which means the overall trend is still bearish. So we wait. A few candles later, RSI climbs back above 30, and price breaks above the 200 MA. That's our green light. A long entry is placed right after a strong bullish candle closes above the moving average. That was the summary of these combos. But remember, no strategy works without alignment to your trading style. Test each combo, log the results, and most importantly, find your personal edge. If you found this helpful, smash the like button and subscribe. More RSI strategies are coming. Now it's your turn. What's the most surprising RSI combo you've used? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what worked or didn't. Until next time, trade smart and test everything.